Welcome and merry meet. I'm delighted to host you in our upcoming workshop, Your Pivot Potential. I'll bet you have multiple roles in life and work that you have to show up for. I'm a leadership geek, a coach, a mentor. I live in a multi-generational home that includes a dementia patient. I am also an author, a speaker, a bridge runner. You can tell because I have medals hanging behind me here over my shoulder. I'm a doggo mom, and I'm the accidental adopter of kittens. That's a story. But like you, I need to do all the things brilliantly. And that, sometimes our light doesn't shine quite as brightly as we'd like that to be. So when that happens, it gives us the idea that maybe it's time for something to change. I have reinvented, redesigned, and pivoted countless times as a working mom, a corporate exec, as a grad student twice, right? An entrepreneur. So if you're ready to change, even if you don't quite know what that change should look like, I'm here to help you. So explore some of the lead up conversations that are linked below. Those videos show people who, like you, had a desire to pivot. And no matter how big the change, it starts with one step. So also be sure to share your questions in the section below. That helps us include the material that supports you for where you are in your journey today. So jump in or simply stick your toe in the water, whatever works for you, and I'll send a couple of emails to ensure that you are ready to go. I look forward to seeing you in the workshop.